Add instant glamour to your food and drinks with MONEGASQUE iconic gold edible glitter. This premium, flavorless glitter is crafted from mica-based pearlescent and food-grade colorants, completely safe, vegan, gluten-free, and allergen-free. With just a sprinkle, you can transform ordinary cocktails, cupcakes, or cakes into dazzling showstoppers. Whether it's a wedding toast, birthday celebration, or festive holiday gathering, this glitter adds brilliance that makes every moment unforgettable. Each 10-gram jar delivers more shimmer than you'd expect, with bold, non-dissolving flakes that shine under any light. Trusted by over 75,000 happy customers, MONEGASQUE Edible Glitter is the go-to choice for professionals and home entertainers alike. Bring sparkle to every sip and bite, because every celebration deserves a golden touch.